In this video, I will show you how to clear your RAM cache in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So first of all, to actually check your RAM cache from your desktop, if you come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, in here type Task Manager and then open up your Task Manager underneath Best Match. Now what you need to do from here is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Performance. On the Performance screen, click onto Memory, and this way you're going to view your current RAM cache. So you can see I've currently got 3.7 gigabytes of cached RAM. Now to go ahead and clear this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and what you want to do is Google search for something called RAM map, which is all one word. Then click onto the top result. This should take you across to the official Microsoft website where you can go ahead and download RAM map. So just simply click the download link here, and that's going to download this onto your PC. Then what you want to do is open up your File Explorer. So come back to your desktop, come down to your search box and type File Explorer into here. Then what you need to do is open up your File Explorer underneath Best Match. Once your File Explorer is opened, what you want to do is locate your downloads folder. Generally that's going to be in the menu on the left hand side, so just click onto downloads. You should find the RAM map download in here. What you want to do first is extract this folder by right clicking onto it, then click in Extract All on this menu, and then just click in through the steps to extract this RAM map. Now once that's done, what you need to do is open up RAM map 64. This should automatically open, and just agree to the permission that pops up. And this is what the RAM map looks like. Now at this point, what you want to do is, I'm just going to open my task manager so you can see how this works as well. So I'm just going to put this side by side next to the RAM map. Let's scroll down to the cached section so you can see it's currently shown at 2.8 gigabyte. Now if you actually come to RAM map, and at the top you're going to see some different options. What you want to do is click onto empty, and then from here you want to click onto empty standby list. So you can see that's just here, empty standby list. Now you'll notice when I click this, if you look at the cached RAM, that's actually going to drop all the way down. You can see it's actually dropped down to about 160 megabyte, and before it was around 3 gigabytes, so it's actually cleared a lot of the RAM cache. So that is how to clear your RAM cache on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.